Okay, here we are, another job, just starting. Let's see what's up with this. It's all through the sides. Just getting out all the old shit. Just clearing all the old rubbish here. Okay. So, we're building a sleeper wall all along here. About 1.8 meters high, going up full length. Here we're doing in limestone here. This is going to be a grass patio going down. We're going to change the steps around. Then we're going to do sleeper borders along all this and raise this here up. And we're going to figure something out with the pool, just probably change it into a fire pit or something. Okay, now we are getting rid of this little border wall here, cutting through from here to around there to give it one straight edge, making this from down here and around here into a flower bed. And we're getting ready to base, getting dug out a little trench here now. That's for the sleeper wall that's going to go along here. And all the extra dirt, all been removed. Okay, just getting started here now. Wall's starting to go up. Alright lads, how are we feeling today?
Yeah, ready for it.
All the sleepers in, foundations laid. Everything's a bit messy at the moment, but we'll live on and prosper, won't we guys? Okay, at the job now. Let's see what's done. Wall is up. That's about 1.8 meters high. That's getting back filled in. This here is all going to be extended, all this here out from here. Extension. Right, that's going round. Sleeper wall's coming down around the corner. Another trench. Sleeper wall going to go down around there. Back pond here, there's going to be a couple of steps going down there, connected into the sleeper wall. Another border wall down along here. This here is going to be filled in, meant to be a bit of a feature. Back end is all getting stoned off, and some border walls along here. Alright, this is a trench here. That is 1 meter trench, 1 meter deep. Going all the way along into this path there. Same with that, coming along into the big border wall. 1.8 meters. Run out, this is going to run into it. This here is all driveway. Okay, update on this here job. Looking around, all the walls and that's up. Border wall there to connect into the garden path. All main walls around here. Nice curved little flower bed that's going to be. There's the load bearing walls curved in. There's two more here that curve around, and then here we're building starting to build the steps. All the bottom shingled off. That's all shingled off there. That's all ready. Steps ready to be built. All the trees all trimmed in here, all up there. There's the border wall that side, the other one here. That's going to be the steps coming down in the centerpiece. A little bit messy here today. Still working on the big bit at the back. Finished here. Just a small one, but they wanted to have an old look, same as the original path down there. Then we've done steps out, gravel there, steps in, and then a nice little decking area for them as well. Alright, we're almost getting there now. Let's get this back to normal. That's this job here. Almost done, just a couple of cuts to do. Last minute finishes. Done this here, curved wall in. All in sleepers. Cut out this in limestone. Up to the end. We've just got a side path there to lay, and we should be done with that bit. And a couple of cuts. A few cuts in here. A couple in there. There's the steps going down. Running in to another curved wall. Another couple of steps. Running down in. Oh, now we've just got this line to make, and we should be good. Just finishing off this one now. Getting to the end, and we lads.
Yep.
Just do a sideways view. Let's get to the end of that now. Had to bring up all the drainage around it. Lift the property quite high.